Good morning, dear students. Now today we will discuss chemical property, one more chemical property of alkynes, right? In terms of what happens when. What happens when vapors of ethane are passed over red heated iron tube. Red heated iron tube because temperature is very high, right? What is the required temperature? 873 Kelvin. What happens when vapors of ethane are passed over red heated iron tube? On the basis of this product, what is the type of polymerization process? Cyclic or linear? Here type of polymerization is cyclic polymerization, right? Three molecules of ethane. By which method? By addition reaction forms single product which is benzene, and benzene is cyclic structure, then type of polymerization is cyclic polymerization, right? Now children, here what is written in this equation? 3 CH3 triple bond CH3 and formation of benzene, right? 1 2 3. Arrange 3 molecules of ethane in this manner, in cyclic manner, then formation of new chemical bond here. Again new chemical bond here, new chemical bond, right? By theoretical mechanism. Addition process by theoretical mechanism. After homolysis of this chemical bond, 1 electron and 1 electron. Homolysis of this chemical bond, 1 electron and 1 electron. Same procedure, 1 and 1 electron, right? Then pair of electrons between 2 carbon atoms form new chemical bond, single bond. It means conversion of triple bond into double bond in each case, in each molecule. Triple to double, and formation of new covalent bond between carbon-carbon atoms. Right? Here 3 molecules are arranged in terms of in cyclic manner, in cyclic structure or in terms of benzene structure. Conversion of triple bonds to double, formation of new chemical bond, again triple to double, formation of new chemical bond, triple to double and formation of new chemical bond. This is aromatic hydrocarbon. Conversion of ethane into benzene by which method? By polymerization process. Okay children? For conversion point of view, this chemical property is very important. Right? Or complete the given reaction equation. Experimental conditions are written, reaction conditions are written, red hot iron tube which acts as supporting device. Red heated iron provides supporting device for this process. Right? Now children, next is based on acidic nature of alkynes. Alkynes show acidic behavior, right, due to the presence of polar hydrogen atom. Here how many alkynes are given? 3 alkynes. One is ethane, then propyne and then butyne 2. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Butyne 2. Right? Then what is the order of their acidic behavior? Acidic behavior, arrange these alkynes either in increasing order of their acidic behavior or decreasing order. Children, triple bonded carbon is sp hybridized and hydrogen atom which is attached with sp hybridized carbon atom is more polar in comparison of sp2 and sp3, right? Then what is the difference between any two given alkynes in terms of nature of polarity of hydrogen atom or nature of polarity of covalent bond between carbon and hydrogen atom. In ethane, each carbon is sp hybridized. Each hydrogen is polar or this bond is polar between carbon and hydrogen. Right? In propyne, only one terminal hydrogen is polar because this hydrogen is attached with sp hybridized carbon. This is triple bonded carbon, sp hybridized. But Here 3 hydrogen atoms are attached with sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This carbon is single bonded carbon, right? In bonding structure C, and then 3 hydrogen atoms C, triple bond. Difference between this hydrogen and this hydrogen in terms of their polarity. This is more polar, right? Because this carbon is sp hybridized and this carbon is sp3 hybridized. Why sp3? Because carbon is single bonded, right? This is less polar, less acidic behavior in comparison of ethyne. One more alkyne which is butane 2. Right? In butane 2, terminal hydrogen, it means polar hydrogen or hydrogen atom which is attached with sp hybridized carbon atom is absent. Right? 6 hydrogen atoms are attached with a single bonded carbon. This carbon is single bonded. Like this, CH3. CH3 less polar, CH3 less polar. Right? Least acidic behavior is shown by butane 2, right? In increasing order, let us start from here. 1, 2, and this is showing increasing acidic behavior of alkynes from butane 2 to ethyne, and decreasing acidic behavior or acidic nature or acidic strength of alkynes in reverse manner. Okay children, this part is important. Comparison of acidic behavior, acidic nature of different alkynes, or comparison of acidic behavior of alkynes, alkenes and alkanes.